Hello everyone, today, I'd like to introduce one new type of IP camera which opens up a new era of low-light monitoring. It is Hikvision's smart hybrid light camera with ColorVu. Let's take a close look at this new product. The model name is DS2CD2387G2HLISU or SL. Here LI means smart hybrid light. This one is turret appearance. Mini bullet, and dome cameras are also available. The packaging is color printed and made of cardboard which can be recycled. Let's check what's inside. We use cardboard and polylactic acid materials which can be biodegraded to replace the conventional EPE foam. This is the camera, made of full metal. There are quick start guide and accessories to help with installation. Let's look at the camera in detail from front to back. First, the lens is the newest f1.0 super confocal lens, providing the strongest imaging performance under any condition. The smart hybrid light camera with ColorVu uses two supplemental lights, IR light and white light, supported 3 supplemental light modes. As for turret camera, the lighting range can reach 30 meters, while for bullet camera, it can even reach 60 meters. Here is the body of the camera. The speaker is to support the audio alarm. Here is the tailing. We can transmit data and supply power together via the PoE cable, or connect a network cable and power cable to let the camera work. Besides, there are interfaces of audio, alarm in or alarm out to support audio alarms and two-way audio applications. What's more, here is a setting room. SD card slot and the reset button are hidden in it. The head of the turret camera can be flexibly adjusted. Once the angle is determined, it can be securely locked. So how and where to install this camera? Hikvision develops some tools to support product or accessory selection and installation, which you can directly download and use. Let's connect the cable to activate the camera. About installation, we can choose different brackets to install the camera on the wall, on the ceiling, on a pole, or in a corner. You can also use an extra junction box to hide the cables and let it look neat. The cameras can be applied in various scenarios, such as villas or houses, restaurants or stores, covering a large monitoring range. What performance can we get? The core function of the camera is, of course, smart hybrid light. The supplemental light modes are easy to be configured here. If we choose Smart Mode, we can get the performance like this, offering black and white images when there is no person or vehicle, while recording information in true color when no person or vehicle appears. With the newest f1.0 super confocal lens, the focal planes of IR light and visible light will be at the same position, which solves the defocusing problem of conventional f1.0 lens, as you can see from here. So, this is the new Hikvision smart hybrid light camera with ColorVu. Hope you have a better understanding of this amazing product.